Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this simple unboxing video, I'm going to be unboxing a product that is a little bit less tech than I typically unbox on my channel. I generally focus on smart home technology, but you guys seem to like a mix of sort of the tech and the non-tech interesting products. So this is one that I'm constantly fumbling around for my glasses. I have multiple pairs of readers, a regular pair of glasses, and also a couple pairs of sunglasses as well. And I thought, I need a place where I can actually just, keep them all in one spot. And so I picked up this, I guess it's called, this is known as a Butlers Tray or a Valet, I believe. Yeah, so this is the Luxsun men's Valet tray unboxing video. I probably should have led with that. But so here's what it looks like. And in the box, we have a couple thank you cards, which is neat. Thank you for purchasing from Rich You. That's nice. So you're welcome, Rich You. Hopefully you have a chance to look at this video. And it's basically just a little satisfaction survey if you're happy or unhappy. And then you have actually Jeff's email on the back, which is really nice. So I really kind of like that small company feel. I may just send Rich an email and let him know that so far I'm very excited by the way it looks. I'm not sure how these guys in the middle work, but it looks like we have multiple compartments for things, keys, coins, and so forth. And then this can probably, the configuration, it can. So yeah, so we can change this, I'm assuming, to configure it however we like with these multiple inserts, which is cool. And then this, I'm having a hard time figuring out how to get this to work, but so there's little gazintas there, and I'm sure I will figure that out later, but just a simple unboxing video for now. In fact, I may use these guys separately. Oh, I see. Okay, so these can probably go in here as well, can they? So, oh wow, these come out on the side also. So yeah, so it looks like, super configurable. I'm sure I'll figure that out offline. But yeah, so getting this configured the way that you want it is going to be the trick. So here we go. So that, I believe, can go, oh, I see. So if we take these guys out on the sides, then these can go in here like this, and we can have different compartments, which is super cool. So yeah, so I really like that a lot. And so basically you get, two Butler trays in one, essentially, which is nice. And so, yeah, I may actually put one in the bedroom and have one in the kitchen for my stuffs, which, like I said, I'm constantly fumbling around for glasses and keys and things. So I just wanted one place to store them all. And I like this because, this is not me being chauvinistic in any way, but it's kind of a manly look and feel to it with the black leather, super nice looking and clean. So yeah, I love it. Super happy with it. So Jeff, if you're watching, thank you. And I may actually just shoot you an email just yet, but just a simple unboxing video today, as I had said. If you're into, home products like this for men and women as well, and, all sorts of, I do more tech videos, tech-focused videos on my channel, smart home and that sort of jazz. So if you're into that, please consider subscribing, and I hope you get some value from this video. If you're good, give it a thumbs up if you don't mind. Thanks. Cheers. See you in the next video.